The really nice thing about coming to this kind of conference is everybody's got the same pain points, but they're just in different sectors. So you learn a lot about speaking to your peers and are you experiencing what I'm experiencing? But I think clearly the disruptive impact of generative AI is huge and is no great surprise today. But in terms of other people's cultural approaches to adopting new technologies, learning, failing, that was really quite illuminating to me, actually, because we see a lot of that in our own business, but you're not quite sure people's aptitude for risk is or how they're approaching the same problem culturally. So that was a great learning point. In this industry, I think it's great that we have creative freedom and that we're trying to disrupt, long-term structural problems. But there's a lot of ready, fire, aim in our industry, and I think being ruthless about design and what problem you're trying to solve up front, it sounds really obvious, but very few people do that well. And I think that was a resonating theme on that particular panel this morning. We're in 70 countries. We're trying to basically democratize international trade credit, which is a fairly big problem statement to be addressing. But hopefully in the next 12 months, we're doing a new capital raise. We continue to grow at some pretty impressive revenue and compound growth rates there. But it's really about good execution. So we're expanding geographically, we're scaling in the capital markets, but we're also hiring a lot of people, which is great for the franchise, but it's also a big challenge in terms of managing culture as well, and not losing the nimbleness of a small firm.